Kennedy Productions coming to you one more time with another DIY. In this DIY, I'm going to be using the Dollar Tree items. We have a plate or a small dessert plate. I wanted to actually use the dessert cup or small bowl, but that I figured it wouldn't work. So, and then I also wanted to use I used this acrylic glue that I had bought. I wanted to try it. I actually used it to do the base, you see, with the glass, with the flat plate or the dessert plate, but I realized it didn't stick, you know. After a while, when it dried up, it just came off. So I went back to use my E6000, which is the most trusted brand, to do the base. So after doing the base, like you can see, when I tried to lift it up, it was really intact, but then yeah, it came off. By the time I was ready to upload this video, this whole thing came off. Even the top right now that I'm putting on, by the time I was ready to upload the video with everything, it came off. So I had to do it again using my most trusted product, which is the E6000 glue. So after putting all the pieces, the 3 glasses with the flat plate together and allowing it to dry, you can see we have a beautiful centerpiece right here. And I used one of this cake platters or cake tray with my acrylic bead strand. So like you can see, this tray has scallops at the end. It's sort of like my favorite tray. I like using it for most of my works, and I know you're gonna love it too when you come across it. So now I'm gonna use my quick Dollar Tree glue to use as my adhesive to glue the bead strands to the cake tray. So it's sort of one scallop to one long strand. So that is how I came by it. I decided not to spray this particular centerpiece and leave it clear. So you can decide to, you know, spray yours to give it a touch of color, depending on what program that you're going to use it for. I think I actually will get more of this to make like 2 different color brands of centerpiece, just, you know, as showcase. I also decided not to attach the chandelier tray to the centerpiece and just leave it on so I can use it for versatile purposes. You can decide to glue your tray to the topmost part of the centerpiece, and it can still work for you as well. You can also try using the bead strands, like, you know, the silver, the gold, whatever color that you want from the Dollar Tree. That can also serve the same purpose as this acrylic bead strand. You realize that when you buy this acrylic bead strand from the store, which is already made, it is very expensive. So if you can make your own for your event, your party, it depends. It's just like, cost effective if you decide to use this one, or if you decide to use this way, as compared to buying your already made factory, done chandelier for your event. This, I like the way it turned out. It turned out to be very good, and I am liking it so far. I am liking what I'm seeing right now. And if you want to try this at home for your event or your program, that would be good. These are actually long acrylic chandelier piece, which can be used for a centerpiece that is 3 feet tall or 2 feet tall, and it's just perfect. You can have it in a different style or color, and it still serves the same purpose. You can also decide to use a teardrop or other chandelier ends to decorate your chandelier tray, and it will still serve the same purpose. It's gonna beautify and decorate your masterpiece like never before. This is absolutely gorgeous. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you have not subscribed to this channel. Please subscribe so that you be the first to see my next video and the subsequent videos that I post on this channel. This channel is basically for home decors, your event decors, and anything that has to do with design and decoration. It can be a centerpiece today, it can be a floral design tomorrow, it can be a backdrop design or a wall decor. Join me next time as I arrange another beautiful masterpiece for you to see. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video. Enjoy the rest of the video. Sorry about that.